was known to know. Elvis Harmon went his lone in solitary way, and he gave to me a gift I know I never can repay. Quiet mellow music, ignite the sound of faith. He tried to be a soldier once, but his music couldn't wait. He earned his love through discipline, a thundering velvet hand. His gentle means of sculpting souls took me years to understand. His eyes are growing old, but his blood runs through my instrument, and his song is in my soul. My life had been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. They heard another call. One went to Chicago and the other to St. Paul. And I'm in Colorado and I'm not in some hotel, living out this life I just can't come to know so well. Thank you.